everybody, Christina here with Fred Anderson Toyota here in Raleigh. And today I am talking 4Runner. I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately. So these are both 21 models that we have here on our lot. The 22 brochure actually just came out, and a lot of people want to know about the sliding rear cargo deck as well as the storage space. So there are actually two different variations in which you can configure your cargo space. This one has nothing. You can lift the mat up. Or you can come on over here, and this one has the cargo rear sliding deck. The sliding cargo deck is actually very versatile. You can use it for working as a workbench, or you can use it for tailgating, or if you're out camping. It also comes with this grounded outlet right here, as well as a circular plug. It slides out just like this, and it holds 440 pounds, which is a lot of weight. So in the brochure, it actually mentions something about the underfloor storage space. And it is actually right here. It's not under the actual cargo deck itself. It's right here, and all you're gonna do is lean back, pop it up, lean back, lean back, and lean back, and lean back, and lean back, lean back. The sliding rear cargo deck is a factory option, and it is $350 extra. So I have a new position here at the dealership. I actually work in the service exchange program. So if you are looking to trade in your vehicle, we actually make it super easy for you to trade in that 18, 19, 20 model and upgrade to a newer model, potentially keep your payments the same or even lessen them. So if this is something of interest to you, you can work with me directly. My direct line is 919-780-5769. I also have an email address. It is cbanks, B-A-N-K-S, @anderson-auto.com. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Here at Fred Anderson Toyota here in Raleigh, we love to make the buying process as easy as possible for our customers, whether it's certified pre-owned, new, or used, whether you're in-state or out of state. If you like today's video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down in the comment section, let us know what you want to see next from us. See you soon. God, Jeff. What are we gonna do? This wind. Hurricane. The sliding car